Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to share a TikTok externally. Sometimes, you may come across a TikTok video that you want to share with friends, family, or on other social media platforms. We'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the TikTok feed and find the TikTok video you want to share externally. While the video is playing, tap and hold on the screen. This will pause the video. Step 3. Look for the Share With menu, usually represented by an arrow icon. Tap on it to access the sharing options. Step 4. Tap on More from the Sharing Options menu. This will open a list of suitable external sharing options available on your device. Choose the suitable external sharing option from the list, such as messaging apps, social media platforms, or other sharing methods. By following these simple steps, you can easily share a TikTok video externally and spread the content beyond the TikTok platform. TikTok provides a seamless sharing experience, allowing you to share your favorite TikTok videos with others and engage with a wider audience. Thank you for watching and enjoy sharing your favorite TikTok videos with the world.